Hello, this weekend, this Saturday, the 3rd, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we are having our very last mystery box drop of the entire year, quite possibly for life. So in a mystery box, you have mystery items, $150 worth of stuff. Should we do 69 bucks or should we?
It's 69 bucks.
69 bucks. $69, okay? It's a very good deal. More than half off retail. For example, in this mystery box, we have a nice Evo 10 air freshener, a jet tag, a slow car tee, another tee. I'm not gonna tell you, they're all mysteries. Another tee. Look at that, a half wrap hoodie. How many of these do we have? A couple? There's a handful of these things, so if you guys score one of these, you're in luck. This Saturday, 11 a.m. PST, don't miss out. Goodbye. Y'all ready for this? The ultimate test. It's the morning after the brand new engine went in the STI. We're gonna go ahead, fire this thing up. Number one, I'm gonna look into my mirror. I'm gonna see if it smokes. Of course, we only have 9.1 miles on the engine. So if it smokes a little bit, I wouldn't really care. Okay, it didn't smoke, cool. I'm gonna back this thing up. Shut up. And we're gonna go outside and take, I hate the short shifter. And we're gonna take a look on the ground to see if there's any oil. That's been there for years. That's been there for years. That's old oil from Bobby's Evo 10. Nice, solid, tight, efficient, effective engine build that we have here. No leaks, no nothing. I'm excited and I'm proud. Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Let me step outside and show you guys exactly what we are gonna be working on today on the STI. I hope it's gonna show on camera. This car looked like it was ran through a automatic car wash about 10,000 times. The body on this thing is extremely nice. But yeah, I'll probably have to show you under detail light when we get to the shop. But today, we are gonna make the paint on my 2016 Subaru STI with 43,230 miles on the chassis. We're gonna make it look brand spanking new again. I'm gonna go ahead and get started off with just a basic wash. Before I do that, I'm actually gonna put the OEM hood back on this car. You guys will see why in a future video. For now, the OEM hood is going back on, and then we can get started on making this paint mint. I just got the car all washed up. I'm gonna go ahead and spray on this iron remover. I have never used iron remover before, and I think you do it when it's wet. I'm not sure, it does not say on the back of this bottle. Spray the painted surface liberally with Adam's iron remover. Cleaner will begin to change color in 1 to 5 minutes. Do not let it dry on the surface, and then you just hose it off. Wash just completely fucked up my paint. Another product I have recently picked up is this 6-inch clay for DA. This should make it go a lot faster. Let's see how good she works. The final step before we start polishing is a quick decontamination. I'm just gonna use the 70% IPA. Spray it on the panel, wipe it off, and we're good to go. We are ready to start the polishing process on Rodney here. So we're going to be using the Rupes Bigfoot polisher with the Rupes pads and compounds. Two-step process. Let's go ahead and section out the hood and let's see what method is going to work best on this car. All right, guys, you ready for this? This right here is before with no polish at all. There's step one. And then over here jumps to step one and step two. All those little specks you guys see, it looks like dirt on the camera, but that's all just like pearls and metallics in the paint. So there's exact side by side. Unpolished at all, that little strip right there versus completely polished out. This Rupes polisher was one of the best investments I've ever made. They are a little bit expensive. I will link it down below along with these two pads and compounds that I like to use. It actually just comes in a kit and it works amazing. So I'll link it all down below. One of the best things I've ever bought for the shop. The exact steps I just took. Wash the car, iron remove the entire car, clay the entire car, IPA wipe, blue pad, blue compound on the Rupes, yellow pad, yellow compound on the Rupes, and you get an amazing end result. Let's go ahead and knock out this entire car and then we can move on to sealing and protecting the paint forever. Knocked out the hood, it took about an hour total and it looks about as good as it possibly could look. Let's back it outside real quick and take a look at it in the sun. Oh yeah, that looks good. There's still a little bit of compound on it, but man, oh man, that thing is freaking beautiful. Perfection, son.
Damn, that looks really, I love that paint. That looks nice.
That's how happens when Devin Niemela touches it. I just gotta put my pee-pee on it and it turns out like that.
Wow.
So I currently have the whole entire driver's side finished up and the hood and roof finished up as well. We're not gonna be doing the front bumper, we're doing the newer front end on it. So whenever I get the new bumper sprayed, we can polish it then. This thing is looking absolutely immaculate. A couple dents and dings that we still need to get removed with PDR. Let's pull her back in the shop. I gotta pull off some badges that I don't want on the trunk, and I may remove the wing. I'm gonna try to work around it, but if I can't, we can go ahead and pull the wing off and get the trunk and rear bumper polished out. I can't get over how good this paint looks though. It looks brand new. Sheesh. Well guys, I dried off the car. Can't really tell I dried it off because that's how good this paint looks now. That was a little cheesy, but I'll roll with it. It is done. It's done being polished and it looks absolutely amazing. I gave it a quick bath. Not a quick, it took a very long time to get all that compound off and all the door jams and whatnot, but car's cleaned up. I'm gonna let it sit overnight just so it's 100% dry, because when we go to protect this paint, it's gotta be perfect. It's also late. It is chilling at 11:11 exactly right now. So I'm gonna come here in the morning and we can slap down some Avalon King Armor Shield 9 ceramic coat so this car can stay looking this perfect, and I literally mean perfect, forever. It's pretty wild to think all of the paint on this car used to look like that, and now it looks like that. Paint is immaculate on this thing and I'm very pleased. Pulled the car out in the sun to do a quick check on it before I go ahead and seal this thing out with some ceramic coat. Now keep in mind there's like water spots and whatnot, but this thing turned out absolutely amazing. All right, so we got the whole car polished. It looks pretty damn good, right Jared? Not bad.
I'd say so.
Like I could have done a little bit better job, but you know, it's a Subaru, not Evo, so it is what it is. Now, to make it look this good forever, if you're still waxing your car, you should probably go with the times. Avalon King is the way to go, and it just so happens that they have a 30% off sale right now. I'll throw a little discount code on this. Wait, I don't think you need a discount code. I'll throw a URL down in the description box below. Avalon King, don't use my discount code Devin25 to get $25 off, because the 30% off is a better deal. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need some IPA. This is 17% IPA. I'm gonna go through, wipe the entire car down, try not to scratch it with a microfiber towel because Subaru paint sucks. Donkey dick is the proper term. It's very, very soft. I've already noticed that. I've already scratched it washing it last night. So I'm gonna go through, wipe it down, and then we're gonna slap some Avalon King down, and this is gonna be protected by the King 2 to 3 years. Okay? Sweet. depth that adds. Let's see what Master Jared thinks over here.
Let's see. Damn, that came out really good.
Not bad for a redneck from Deer Park, Washington.
Wow.
Do you remember back in the day when we spent, what, 3 weeks on the car?
3 weeks detailing that car.
No, it was
trying 50 different things.
Yeah.
No, you got it down. That's super clean.
Should have had a Rupes back in the day.
I know.
And Avalon King.
That was good times though.
Lots of brew. So the car is 100% complete, ceramic coated, everything is good to go, and it looks so freaking perfect. I'm sure it could be better, okay? It could definitely be better, but not by much. Not by much at all. It is insane. But a fresh polish and a fresh ceramic coat will do. Every single thing that I used in today's video, I'll link down below. Remember, Avalon King Labor Day sale is going on right now. Linked down in the description box below. And we also are having the Boston Apparel mystery box drop tomorrow, okay? 11 a.m. PST, don't miss out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm gonna give you guys a quick timeline of how long this actually takes as well. So I started polishing the car at 9 a.m. yesterday morning. I polished all the way up until 6 p.m. Had to take a break for my birthday party that my family threw for me. Came back after that, I got here at 8:30. I then polished until 1 o'clock in the morning. And then ceramic coating took about, I would say it only took about an hour. So of course, polishing takes a very long time. Ceramic coating doesn't take all that long. And now the whole entire car is coated. All the paint, of course, minus the bumper, all of the glass, the wheels are ceramic coated. Everything's good to go. And I'm very excited. Peace out, my friends. I will see you guys in the next video.